Hi, guys, welcome back to iMyFone channel. Do you want to compress large videos because they have taken up much of your storage space? Do you want to find a way to compress them without watermark when most of the tools leave with brand watermarks? Luckily, today you can fix this problem by using a video compressor iMyFone AnySmall. In 3 steps, all of your uploaded videos can be compressed to the smallest size without watermark. Moreover, they can be compressed without quality loss with 100% success rate. Step 1. Download and install iMyFone AnySmall to your PC or Android device. After that, launch it and click to choose the location for the compressed videos first, then you're free to add as many as large video files you want to compress. Step 2. Next, you can choose the compression degree from low to high. If you want to reduce the most video file size, the high level is better for you. And whichever you choose, the quality of the compressed videos won't be affected. Or, you can specify the video size directly by entering the desired megabyte under the expected file size section. And all videos will be compressed accordingly. Once ready, click the Start button for the program to begin. Since it only takes you a few seconds, you can sit back and prepare to get your compressed videos. Step 3. When the program finishes compressing the videos, they will be automatically saved to your device. Now, click 1 to preview the result. See? No watermark added. Alright, that's all for today's video. And if this video helps, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.